All right, guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I ordered a bunch of little pieces. I think I told you guys about these. I ordered some clips right here. These are for the side skirts. These bumper pieces, these actually hold the bumper on. But the problem is I actually have two different types here. This one says it's a genuine BMW piece and it's for the E36 M3, but this is not what's on the car. So maybe a 3 Series frame was swapped on this car. I don't know the history of it, who knows? But I have this one, which is a 3 Series one. I'm hoping that I can get the bumper mounted up and we don't have any rubbing, because now it actually has the proper thing to fit it in. Who knows? I'm gonna test it right now and see what happens. So that piece goes in right here and actually slides in. So this kind of like, the end of this slides this way in and gets a nice fitment. I actually really like how they did this. I wish honestly the E92 had something similar to where it actually slid in, just to hold it on while you're mounting everything up and get it nice and like tight, correct fitment, before you actually had to like tighten all the screws down. All right, just took all these clips off. You can see what those are like. But these go back in here. I just took all the old ones off, like I said. These just pop back in. I think these were like 10 cents a piece or something. I got a bunch of them. All right, got all the clips in right there. Time to put the side skirt on. Damn, actually made a huge difference. So it's on way better than before. You can see that right now, like it's on pretty tight. My only pet peeve right now is, I don't know if it shows on camera right now, but there is a tiny bit of green strip that comes through right there. So all I have to do is basically put some wrap in here and it'll be solid. You can see it's right there. I don't know if you guys can see right there. All right, time to do the other side. I'm definitely glad that I think there's 20 total of the side skirt clips, and I think I got 25 or something. But I'm so happy that I got that many, because I literally broke probably 3 brand new ones too in the process. But honestly, the side skirts are on. Before they were like kind of flopping off. Like, honestly, I was kind of worried that they just didn't fit right for another reason, but now that I got new clips, they literally are on so good. I don't know, I'm stoked. Take a little walk around the car. Show you guys this side. Boom. Bad news, it still rubs. So you can see right here, I just need, because of this bushing back here that's off center, it's pushing this wheel forward, and I'm not gonna be able to get a stock bumper to fit on here. There's no, I was hoping I could maybe take off a spacer or something, but these right here are so close. The stop tech brakes are so close to this. I'm gonna have to do something to modify this. I mean, I don't necessarily need to run a bumper for a drift car. I just like the idea of being able to have a bumper on, have it look like a complete car. I don't know, be able to drive it on the road. But you know, I might have to just give that up. I don't know, I'm gonna try some stuff right now. All right, so I just tried a bunch of different things, and I think I finally figured something out. So let me kind of show you. So this isn't the exact bolt I use right here, but basically what I was able to do is put a couple washers on the inside to basically hold the bumper out a little farther. So the bolt goes in like this, bumper sandwiched between these two, nut goes on the inside, and it basically holds that out a little farther. So I had to use a longer bolt, but now I just turned it lock to lock and it doesn't rub. So let me show you. So full lock to the right. Full lock to the left. All right, so the final verdict of how I ended up doing things. Oh, Jazz, you want me to throw your ball real quick? Go get it. Well, here's what I ended up doing. I got 1.25 inch screws, washer. So the bumper's sitting out a little farther than it would. Oh, what's up, buddy? You want me to throw yours too? You're gonna drop it? Drop it. Whatever. 1.25 inch screws. That's gonna go, you know, the bumper, like I said, the bumper's gonna sit out further, so I need longer screws. But it actually fits with 0 up. Hey, drop it. You want me to throw yours? All right, so next up, I'm gonna actually put on the OEM front lip. So it's just like a plastic ABS front lip, and then I actually have a carbon fiber lip that mounts to the bottom of that. And it should start to be looking pretty damn good. I really wanna get the diffuser on. The bumper has, let me show you this real quick. Because of what I did, I don't have perfect fitment on the bumper. And you know, as expected, if it's not using the correct parts to mount, what do you expect? But honestly, I'm not too concerned. So you can see right there. But it still looks good. It's not too big of a deal. I got Jasmine over here hanging out with me while I'm putting on the front lip. What's up, girl? You want me to throw your ball? Is that what you want? You want to throw this? You want to throw it? You ready? Go get it. Good girl. All right, so guys, I actually decided to put on this front lip right here, and it goes in a different way, but I'm actually gonna bolt it in. I wanna make sure it's in there snug. This car's starting to come together. I'm actually really excited that this thing is I don't know, I love the way it drives, but it kind of looks like shit, and I know it doesn't matter, and I've said that 1,000 times, but I like good looking cars. And I feel like it's starting to look pretty good. Woo, money. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! All right, so I think I might try to install this real quick. I think I'm just gonna install this the way I want to. And I think what I'm gonna do is some double-sided tape and some tap screws. All right, let's do this. All right, I'm just gonna jack this thing up real quick so I can put the tap screws in. Hey. What are you doing over here, huh?
Eating popcorn with the dogs. Wanna watch them? Ready, Jazzy? Catch? Oh, so close. Jackson, catch. Oh, come on. You got it every time until I go to film it. Oh my god. Dang.
Like your name.
Oops. Oh, look.
See the front lip?
The front lip is the first thing I noticed. And the side skirts are on. It looks good. Did he wrap the side skirts?
Yeah, last week.
Oh my god. Really,
Ready
really
for
good.
a drive or what?
Uh-huh. Wow.
So the only piece I'm missing is that trim piece that's on
It
there.
looks so good. Do you want popcorn, buddy?
All right, throw him a popcorn real quick. See if you got this. Come on, Jay. Pressure's on.
Catch.
Dude, how you gonna
Oh,
miss
no,
it?
Jazzy's
And your sister got it.
Good boy.
Look how crunched midair.
Ready, Jazzy? Catch. Okay. We're still working on Jazzy.
Yep.
It's my first time in here.
You haven't been in here yet, huh?
What the heck? This is crazy. And I just buckle it up.
Yep.
Ready to show Insta. This is cool. Okay. Oh god. I need to hold on to my phone tightly.
Yeah, you're gonna need
We're about to do a donut.
You need to hold on tight.
It's gonna go flying. Okay, I got it. I'm ready. Yeah.
I wish you could. You should try driving it.
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah. All right, Bree's getting a little drive in it now.
Okay.
I would wait to do. Yeah, okay. You can go second.
Yeah.
Go back to first. Yep. Try to go sideways over this bump, though. Sideways. Okay. That was good. Cool. Yep. Let off clutch. Little quicker right there, and you'll have it. Okay. But don't get cocked. You're doing good. We go to third. Straight up. Let it out. Perfect.
This is so crazy.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm stoked. The front bumper's on, the little ABS front lip, and then the carbon fiber lip's on. It came together. I just drove it, Bree drove it, zero rub. I'm excited because honestly, I was expecting today to kind of like the front bumper not fit, and I've had these pieces for 2-3 months now, and I just really wanted to actually get them on. But check it out. I know you guys saw a little montage of it, but just give you kind of a final walk around. Looks pretty damn good. I mean, the only thing I really got to get, I already mentioned to you guys, but it's just this little piece right here. Bam! Once I get that, I think I want some type of wing. But overall, I'm happy with it. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.